What's up? What's up, my Mind Your Money business people? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market. And as you can see, if you're tracking, if you're not, and you're just watching this video, good. Either way, stocks are up, people. S&P eyes a fresh new record high as Netflix. The word on the internet is invigorates tech. So let's get into what the market had to say today. So the Nasdaq led U.S. stocks higher on Wednesday as Netflix stock surged to a record, while Donald Trump's boost to AI demand hopes outweighed fresh tariff worries. The Nasdaq Composite rose more than 1.3%. That's a lot of people. Bolstered by a jump in Netflix shares on the heels of surprisingly strong earnings. The S&P 500 climbed 0.6%, great, to hover near its record closing high of 6,090 points. That's great as well. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 0.3%, coming off a rise of over 500 points on a winning Tuesday on Wall Street. Trump is in the driving seat for markets, with investors on alert for any fresh move in the president's fast-flowing overhaul of policy. His latest push to make the U.S. a leader in AI and $500 billion private sector investment plan and a rollback of Biden's error safety measures is giving a bump to techs. So if you're not investing in the market right now and in these tech stocks, you're missing out, people. So shares in Oracle, a partner in the Stargate venture, continue to rise up 7% on the prospect of higher AI spending. In Tokyo, SoftBank jumped 11%. So spirits were high despite heightened worries about Trump's spirit trade war. The president said Tuesday his administration was considering imposing a 10% duty on China imports on February 1, as he vowed to hit the EU with additional tariffs. U.S. stocks rallied on Tuesday amid relief that China wasn't targeted in Trump's first policy moves, which promised new duties for Mexico and Canada. Stocks in China fell on Wednesday as markets were rattled by the new trade defense plan. So corporate earnings continue to roll in. Before the bell, Johnson & Johnson, the baby powder, posted quarterly sales and profit above estimates, but its stock slipped as investors weighed the impact of a strong dollar. Shares of Procter & Gamble popped after its sales also beat forecasts. Yeah, that happens. When NVIDIA gave its earnings report exceeding estimates, the stock also dropped. This is just the market, people. You have to be in the market and not try to time the market. I say that, and I'm going to continue to say that because that's just the way it goes. So let's see what the market is saying on a couple of stocks. So NVIDIA had a good day, going up over 4%, closing out at $147.07. My information technology ETF is up almost 2%, 1.98%, closing out at $191.89. AMD, the second leader in AI development behind NVIDIA, was up 1.2%, closing out at $123.75. The S&P 500 rose 0.55% today, closing, well, my S&P 500 ETF, SPLG, closed out at $71.33. Tesla's down a little over 2%. Apple rose 0.5%, closing out at $223. Yeah, and Netflix had a good day. Their stock rose 9.69%, closing out at $953.99. Wow. So that's all I want to talk about today. Well, hold on. Let me see. What did Broadcom do today? Be my last one. Okay, Broadcom rose 0.25%, closing out at $240.91. All right, people. Like I always say, lower your debt to income ratio, live below your means, get out of debt. Debt. That is not good. It keeps you a slave to the lender, right? It takes away from you being able to invest into retirement, and you need your money. That thing that you're working hard for, you need to be in control over it. And if you're not in control, that's not a good thing. If you're paying off debt, credit card debt, car loan debt, personal debt, student loan debt, family and friends debt, that's taken away from your ability to invest your money into assets that are appreciating in value, like these paper assets we call stocks, bonds, things like real estate. Again, things that appreciate in value and something that you can have and benefit from into retirement. You know, have multiple streams of income. Why not have money that you can withdraw from your stocks, money that you can withdraw and also receive from your invested real estate that is paid off and you're now collecting that. Money from your 401k plan that you had at your job. Money from the IRA that you created separately. Money you can receive from, maybe you work for the federal government. You can receive a pension along with your Social Security. Multiple streams of income. And the more money we have, the more comfortable we feel, because life is going to continue to happen. Expenses, things are going to continue to go up. So also budget, people. You know, budget your money, dollar cost average into your investments, budget, create an emergency fund. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think anything at all. And disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I know, right? So any and all information on my channel and in my videos are for entertainment purposes only, and it reflects my opinion. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your money. All right, so you guys have a blessed day. Subscribe, share the video. If you don't, love you anyway. Peace.